This is the podcast of Oriental Pacific Futures based in Malaysia, and this is Dawang here speaking on behalf of OPF on the FCPO covering on this coming week, 21st to the 25th of July in the year 2014. All right, the October month for the FCPO trading in Busan, Malaysia on last Friday actually did a short recovery and closed at a price of 2308, and that was 2,308 ringgit per ton. All right, the market actually came off since Monday. Well, that we actually predicted that there should be a small recovery, but it did not go up. And after Monday, when the market did an engulf bearish pattern, and the trend came off and traded in a very narrow range on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right. So by looking at the chart here, we actually did a Fibonacci from the top, pulling down to the bottom. All right, the 30%, which we actually cover on the first very strong resistance, but it may not reach there on the recovery. All right, it's actually at the price of 2496, 2496. And another important thing that you have to take note of is this line that we pulled from the first and second top. It actually stretches down to the bottom where it is forming a very strong support now if the market happen to rebound above this line. Then, of course, by constructing a channel by connecting the second, third, and fourth top, pulling down to a parallel line, all right, we do see that the market may actually rebound from this bottom on this coming week. All right, from this day chart, we move into a 60-minute chart to double confirm our analysis. All right, as you can see here, all right, as the market goes up, okay, there is a closing up of the EMA 4 and a 20 that is shown on the chart here. So on this coming week, there's a big potential of the market turning up from this bottom up to the top side and perhaps to 2350 as our first target. And 2350 is going to be what we expect for this coming week. And on the top side, it may actually go up to 2390. All right, and so this week we are still quite prone to seeing market forming a short-term recovery on the top side. On the other hand, if any fundamental news or negative reasons that is going to drive down the market, all right, which we see a very strong consolidated support at the bottom here. Once the market breaks down below 2290 down to 2280 again, then there's a very big tendency for the market to continue on the down move. And going down, the market has got a strong tendency to drive down further to this bottom here, all right, which was formed on the sometime August last year, 2013. All right, this is a historical charting here, and this is a y-axis on the price. And let us measure again on this bottom. All right, if the market goes down, there is a big possibility for it to drive down to 2,200 ringgit per ton benchmark. All right, if the market happens to drop this week. So in a short summary on this week outlook, okay, we foresee a strong short-term short covering. All right, that the market will move up from this current 2308 up to 2350 or 2390. But if breaking down below 2280 again, then it is very strong possibility for the market to move back down to 2,200 ringgit per ton, which actually also will coincide with this line coming down that form a very strong support. All right, as every one of us here can see. Okay, so this is the end of the short little podcast covered by Dawang here, and I'm one of your favorite market opinion leaders that come in from Oriental Pacific Futures. Stay tuned with us for next coming weekend, and hopefully we'll continue to lead you on a profitable trend to trade in FCPO market trading in Busan, Malaysia. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, and I shall speak again next week. Do come back. Bye bye.